Hey guys, welcome back. I'm taking the 328 now to meet Sunil. Sunil obviously owns the electric garage where I send my E36 for repair works. And I figured while driving the car, let me give you a rundown of what I found issues with the car again. So number one is that the temperature sensor. So temperature tells me I'm high. As I drive, it goes back down. It goes high, it goes back down. So two things. If the temperature gauge fluctuates very fast and it goes down and up, it could be that the issue is with your fan. So you start with the easy one first, the fan. Check the fan speed, and normally when you look at the fan, you'll know if it's running or not. And then another cheap fix obviously is the sensor, the temperature sensor. So it could be the fact that the coolant is fine, but the sensor is faulty and it reads a faulty reading. Once you're done with those two, then you go to the more expensive ones where you're doing a coolant flush and check out the whole system, hoses and pressure and all that stuff. But yeah, so you're gonna get a full cooling system check done on this car. But so far I've been from JB to KL. Driving it now, aircon is fine, it's not warming up. Normally when the car is overheating, the aircon does act up, but here it's totally fine. So I think it's a sensor issue. What else? There is a smell of exhaust leak. So it leaks to the cabin bay and also outside. I have a feeling the exhaust is leaking. We're gonna get that welded. What I'm doing now is I'm making sure I'm driving with the air circulation turned off, so I'm not getting in external air coming in. But obviously this is a more critical issue to fix. We'll get that fixed. Number three, what else? When the car goes above 120, there is a vibration, and it's going straight. So again, when you're driving a car and the car vibrates or shakes, whatever, this is what you got to do. You got to think of what happens. If it vibrates and it's moving left to right, that could be issues with the arms, issues with the forks and those things. But if you're going at a certain speed and above a certain speed, it vibrates, but the car is going straight, because the car is true and proper, the alignment is fine. The issue could be most likely the wheels. The wheels, they go for balancing. Balancing is when they take the wheels out, they will run the wheels at high RPM to see if the rim is bent. The rims could be bent, that's my guess. What else? The key, obviously, the car's key system. It's been modified. I want to undo this back and put it to stock, and that will make this more, I guess, a step closer to becoming more original. Other than that, I'll let Mr. Giri, the mechanic there, the co-owner, to kind of go through the car and see what he thinks about the car. There could be things I missed out, for example, because I know there's some small leaks in the engine bay. I think those are probably just gasket issues, and he'll have a look at the engine and see anything else is faulty. But other than that, you know what, I drove it about 400 kilometers from JB to here. The car runs perfectly fine. The speedometer is good. The speed is consistent. The gearbox shifts well. The engine cranks up one time. It's very smooth, but there is a little bit of white smoke coming out from the back. I think the valve may need to be grinded or something in that nature, but it's a very faint white smoke at certain instances. So far I'm driving it now, it's gone. So the petrol the other day it had, but now it's gone. But I'll do the test anyway and see what's wrong. It could be anything from valves to do with leaky piston rings. Could be a whole slew of issues, but we'll get it sorted out. But yeah, other than that, this is me driving the 328 automatic 97 car to electric garage, and see, mom, no hands. It's going straight, it's going fast, it's going pretty nice. Loving it. Hey guys, if you like this content, please subscribe. There'll be a lot of videos at a very quick pace on my video on the E36, so please click the bell button or check out my page every other day. you will see favorite options of this car. Cheers, bye.